Hello my dear students, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Adjectives Types. In this chapter we are going to study about adjectives and its different types. Before starting the chapter, I would like to ask you all about adjectives. Have you studied about adjectives in your previous class? Yes, you already studied adjectives in your previous class. So now I am going to tell you more about adjectives. Adjective is a word which is used to add something to the meaning of a noun, or an adjective qualifies a noun or pronoun. So children, describing words describes a noun. We call these words adjective. Adjectives tells us the size, shape, color, taste, smell, number, quantity and so on of a noun. For example, the house is beautiful, the car is expensive. So in the first example, beautiful is a describing word, so it is an adjective. And in the second example, the word expensive is an adjective. There are many different types of adjectives. Let's see. First, adjectives of quality. Second, adjectives of quantity. Third, adjectives of number. Fourth, demonstrative adjectives. Fifth, interrogative adjectives. And sixth one, possessive adjectives. We are going to discuss all these different kinds of adjectives one by one in detail. First of all, we are going to discuss about adjectives of quality. These adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question what kind. So, students, we can say that an adjective of quality describes the characteristics of a noun. It answers the question what kind of. Let's see some examples. This is a heavy box. Sarah is a beautiful girl. He is an intelligent boy. So words like heavy, beautiful, intelligent is an adjective in the given example, as it is describing the characteristics of a noun and also answering the question what kind of. Now let's move on to the second one, that is adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Adjective of quantity mostly describes uncountable noun. It also tells us about the quantity of a noun. It will be more clear with the help of given example. There is little water to drink. So little answers the question how much water. Now we will see the third one, that is adjective of number. An adjective of number tells the number of a noun. It answers the question how many. An adjective of number always answers the question or questions how many. Adjective of numbers are used to depict either the number of nouns or their positions or places in a certain order. Let's see the given example. Most of the boys are selected for cricket. There are 10 students in the classroom. I wrote many letters to you. So the words most, 10, many are adjective of number. Now we will see the next one, that is demonstrative adjective. These adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or pronoun using the adjectives this, that, these and those. Demonstrative adjective is used to point to a noun. It answers the question which. This, that, these and those are demonstrative adjectives when they come before a noun. Let's see some example. This pencil is mine. These books are mine. Those flowers are beautiful. As we all know that we use this and that with singular noun and these and those with plural noun. When the object is near the speaker, this and these adjectives will be used, and when the object are far from the speaker, that and those adjectives will be used. Now we are going to see the next one, that is interrogative adjective. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or in relation to nouns. They are where, what, which and whose. Interrogative adjectives are used along with the nouns to ask questions, and words such as which, whose and what are called interrogative adjectives. For example, what book are you reading? Which pen is better? Whose book is this? So in these three examples, what, which, whose is interrogative adjective used along with the noun, book and pen to ask question. Now we are going to discuss about possessive adjectives. Words which modify a noun by showing a form of possession or a sense of belonging to a particular person or thing. Students always remember that possessive adjective shows belonging. It answers the question whose. It will be more clear with the help of given example. This is our house. So house is the noun and our word shows possession or belongings, that this house belongs to us. Or if I ask whose house, then the answer will be our. So describing the word house is the word our. So our is an adjective, and because it is answering the question whose house, it is a possessive adjective. Similarly, if I say that is their house, so describing the word house is there. So the word there is describing the word house. So it is an adjective because it is telling us whose house. So it is a possessive adjective. So I hope till now you all have understood the different kinds of adjectives. Now let's see one exercise related to this. Write the types of the underlined adjective. First one, his height is good. So answer will be possessive adjective because it is answering the question whose. Let's see the second one, which pencil is better? So answer will be interrogative adjective because we all know that we use an interrogative adjective to ask question. Let's see the third one, I want a little sugar. So the word little is showing the quantity of a noun and it is also answering the question how much. So the correct answer will be adjective of quantity. Fourth one, many children are playing in the park. So adjective of number is the correct answer of this question. Now let's see the fifth one, that apple is fresh. So the word that is demonstrative adjective because it is pointing to a noun. Here answers are given. First one, possessive adjectives. Second, interrogative adjectives. Third, adjectives of quantity. Fourth one is adjectives of number. And fifth one is demonstrative adjectives. Now students, it's time for some activity. This activity will help you all to understand more about adjectives. So let's see what we have to do in this activity. Read the sentence, circle the adjective. On the line after the sentence, write the noun that is being described. So what we have to do in this, we have to circle the adjective and also we have to write the name of the noun that is being described. First one has already done for you, but still let's see what is the first one. The ambitious boy chased the butterfly. So what is an adjective over here? Ambitious. And what type of noun is being described? Boy. So, and boy is a common noun. So we will circle ambitious and we will write boy in the given blank. Let's see the second one. My grandmother is a unique woman. So the word unique is telling us more about noun, that is woman. So we will circle unique and we will write woman in the given blank. Let's see the third one. The scientist enjoyed making interesting inventions. So scientist is also a noun over here and invention is also a noun. But the word interesting is describing which noun? It is describing the noun inventions. So we will circle interesting and we will write the word invention in the blank. Let's see the fourth one. The girl suddenly had a delightful idea. So what is an adjective in the sentence? The word delightful. And which noun is being described? Idea. An idea is an abstract noun. So we will circle delightful and we will write idea in the given blank. Let's see the fifth one. The gentleman showed his charming manners. What kind of manners did the gentleman showed? Charming manners. So charming is an adjective and manner is a noun which is being described. Let's see the sixth one. We picked a pretty bouquet of flowers for our mom. What kind of bouquet it is? Pretty. So the word pretty is an adjective and bouquet is a noun which is being described in this sentence. Let's see the seventh one. The woman hugged her darling granddaughter. So woman and granddaughter is a noun over here. But the word darling is describing the word granddaughter. So darling is an adjective and granddaughter is a noun which is being described in this sentence. Let's see the last one. His furious father screamed at him. The word furious is describing the noun father in the sentence. So furious is an adjective and father is a noun which is being described. So we will circle furious and we will write father in the given blank. Here answers are given. Now students, this chapter is completed. I hope you all have understood it nicely. Revise this chapter from your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.